From Prospero we rose in fire and thaw, sons of knowledge cursed at birth. The banners were not broken yet. Gifted yet unkind, minds aflame, bodies betrayed. The flesh would war, the soul would fray. We burn too bright, we burn too fast. A blessing cursed, a dying past. Scholars clad in ceramide, choking on their second sight. We beg the stars for answers true, but every truth we learn just doomed us to broken banners in the dust. Oaths turned ash, faith turned rust. Knowledge bought with blood and flame. We tried to save, we earned the blame. Broken banners, shattered suns, 1,000 lives reduced to one. We stood for truth, we fell for pride, and paid the cost in souls denied. When Kitchen Magnus rejoins the great crusade. A crimson giant crowned in light, found at last by Father's side. Prospero sang, the curse held still. Hope was carved by iron will. He taught us words, he taught us names, to cage the warp, to shape the flame. But every spell we dared to weave sank hooks deeper in belief, and treachery whispered through the veil. A war master doomed, a future pale. A shattered laws to save a throne. Cracked the veil, stood not alone. My warning screamed across the void. The price was paid, the trust destroyed. One truth spoken, one sin too far, and Prospero was marked for war. Broken banners in the flame, wolves descend and speak no name. Cities fall, the skies turn red. Knowledge buried with the dead. Broken banners, burning suns. No absolution left to run. We were loyal, we were wrong, and paid in blood for standing strong. The sky fell screaming iron rain. Brothers' fury sanctioned pain. Libraries burned, wisdom screamed. Every future torn and reamed. I knelt too late, I spoke too proud. Watch my sons erased in clouds. The emperor turned his gaze away, and damnation sealed our day. To end the curse, one final rite, a spell cast out of love and spite. The flesh grew still, the screams went quiet. Armor sealed, the souls went silent. Dust where brothers used to stand, names erased by a Reman's hand. Not dead, not saved, just bound to time and endless war. I tried to save them all.